Telus troubles got you down. Here's how to fix them in a flash. First, restart your router and modem, unplug for 5 minutes, then power back up. Check for outages on Telus's website or Twitter. Change your DNS settings to Google's or Cloudflare's. Still no luck? Report the issue directly to Telus. Use mobile data, a VPN, or tether from another device if you can't wait. Next, for customer service nightmares, escalate. Demand a manager or file a complaint through the CRTC. Tag at Telus Support on Twitter for faster responses. Try different contact methods like live chat or email, waiting forever for an appointment. Request urgent assistance or try DIY fixes. Demand compensation for long downtimes. For healthcare professionals struggling with Telus's EMR system, report problems to Telus Business Support or health regulatory bodies. Consider alternative EMR providers and use backup records to avoid disruptions. Still facing issues? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe for more tech solutions. Click here for more quick fixes. It could save you hours of frustration.